Meaning of enslave.
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 Enslave. The verb enslave means to make someone a slave or completely subject to one's will and control. This act often involves the use of force, coercion, or deception to deprive a person of their freedom and autonomy. When a person is enslaved, they are treated as property and are forced to work without compensation or choice. The result of enslavement is the complete subjugation of a person's will and humanity, leading to a life of misery, exploitation, and dehumanization. It is a gross violation of human rights and an affront to human dignity.